Relationships are hard, especially nowadays. They're not as easy as they used to be. I mean, nowadays, if you can't trust a person in one aspect, how can you trust them with everything else? I thought Carla and I had a pretty damn good relationship. But we're driving home today, and I asked her to answer a work text for me. And in the work text, I told the gentleman that he needed to use a Vise. Okay? That big thing, got the handle on it, holds things really tight. A Vise. So she said, VICE, got it. I'm like, no, it's VISE. She goes, VICE, I got it. I'm like, no, it's VISE. That's how you spell a work vice, kind of like vice grips. And she didn't trust me. She said, please hold. She went to Google to make sure I knew how to spell vice. I mean, what the hell? Like, you can't trust me to know how to spell the name of a tool, knowing what I do? I mean, I just don't get it. Like, you trust me to drive you places. You trust me to cook for you. You trust me with big decisions that we have to make, but you can't trust me to know how to spell the name of a tool. I don't know. It's got me drinking. I don't know I don't know where we go from here. We're just going to find out, I guess.